All right, well, good morning. Welcome to St. Andrews State Park in Panama City Beach, Florida. We're going to take you around this park, show you some of the amenities they have, show you the campground, show you why this is a great place to visit. Why don't you come along with us? All right, well, this state park is situated at the far eastern end of Panama City Beach. It's actually pretty neat because, you know, if you're here visiting in Panama City, you're probably used to seeing all the tourist destinations, all the high-rise condominiums. And to come down here to the very end of Panama City Beach and see this state park and see all the wilderness it has to offer, it's a nice little getaway from the hustle and bustle of this area. One of the big draws to St. Andrews is right here, the beach. This is a real popular destination to come out to the beach. They've got a gigantic parking lot here, so they never really run out of space. They've got all the facilities you need, showers, bathrooms, and they actually have another really nice swimming area over here, right where the pass comes into St. Andrews Bay. Let's go check that out. Now right here, tucked in behind these jetties, they've created a nice little swimming area. So if you have small kids, you don't want to get out in the Gulf, especially when the waves are up, this is a good spot to come and swim. Also, because of those rocks there, it's an excellent place to go and scuba dive or snorkel. There's all kinds of neat little fish species. My family and I, we've been out there before and actually had a good time snorkeling and looking at all the different fish. But this is a really, really nice area to come to the beach. They also do have a little beach store here where you can rent kayaks, paddle boards, beach toys. They've got all the kind of gear in there for snorkeling if you didn't bring it with you. They also have all kinds of souvenirs and snacks. Now they do have this nature trail that goes around Gator Lake in front of me on the sand dunes surrounding Gator Lake. It's a nice little sandy trail. Some of it's covered with water right now because the pond is up really high. But you can see some wildlife out here. There's always different herons and egrets roosting on the island out in the middle of the lake, as well as alligators, as you'll see by this next picture. And there's a deer right over there. Gator Lake for a reason. They do have a camp store here where you can get firewood, supplies for your campsite, and you can even rent golf carts as well. So they've got everything you need if you happen to be spending a night here. They've also got a nice boat ramp with plenty of boat trailer parking and little fishing pier where you can come out here and fish or throw a cast net. Then over here, they have the Shell Island excursions where you can board a boat and take it over to Shell Island. Now, Hurricane Michael hit the Panama City Beach area about 3 years ago, and so it did actually quite a bit of damage to this state park. So we're gonna go down here and check out the campground. The entire campground is not open right now. They are doing some construction work. They're actually putting all new utilities underground for individual dump sites at the campsites, but only half the campground is open right now. But there's still some really nice sites available. The state park does not have a specific date on when that construction is going to be done, but hopefully soon you can start making reservations for the other side of the campground. All right, well, that's going to do it for us here at St. Andrews State Park. Just wanted to take you around here, show you another state park here in Northwest Florida. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching the Butler Family Adventures.